Welcome to our 2025 update on automation tools. Today, we're diving into the world of Zapier and IFTTT, two giants in this space. Let's explore the key differences between Zapier and IFTTT, particularly their functionality and ideal use cases. Pricing is a crucial aspect. So how do Zapier and IFTTT stack up in terms of free versus paid features? User experience matters. We'll look into the interfaces of both platforms and their ease of use. Next up, let's see the number and variety of integrations offered by each platform. What about automation complexity? We'll explore multi-step versus single-step workflows and what they mean for you. When should you choose Zapier over IFTTT, and vice versa? We'll discuss particular use cases for each tool. Security and privacy cannot be overlooked. Let's break down how both tools handle your data. As we wrap up, here are my final thoughts and recommendations for choosing between Zapier and IFTTT in 2025. Interested in automating your tasks? Explore both tools and find the one that fits your needs best.